When I meet with new clients that have been injured by a truck accident here in the Tampa Bay area or in Florida in general, I get asked, Greg, what are the steps that are necessary and important for us to be able to establish our case and prove it? So first and foremost, I'm going to tell that person, whether they're calling our office on the phone or I'm meeting them face to face, step one is that you need to be getting your medical care and treatment to get well and try to recover from your injuries, damages, and losses. That is the most important thing for you to do to make sure that you're getting, and your family members as well if they've been involved in a truck accident. So that's step one. We want to make sure that that's happening. And I think something that's very important with regard to that is that sometimes we have clients that they're tough. They say, look, I can heal on my own. You know, I don't need to see doctors, or I don't need to get therapy, or I'm going to try to go it alone without doing that. Generally, that's not a good idea. You need to get medical care and treatment, and you need to follow the recommendations and advice of your doctors. They're your trusted healthcare providers, and they want to help you. So don't try to tough it out alone. Get that medical care and treatment. That's step number one. And we're going to be making sure that you're doing that. We're going to be monitoring the medical as that is going on. Step two, and while that's happening, is we're going to be doing our investigation about the accident. How did this truck accident occur? We're going to make sure that the vehicles are photographed. We're going to make sure that the scene is preserved and photographed. We're going to be making sure that witness statements are obtained. We're going to be looking to GPS information that's available from the truck company. Many commercial truck carriers have GPS information on their vehicles. And we're going to be obtaining what we call the vehicle black box information. That's what is called the event data recorder that you probably have in your motor vehicle and don't even know it, and is likely also in the truck vehicle as well. And we're going to be using our trusted investigators to obtain that information, to document that information, because that's very critical. And then the third step is we put this all together once we know the full extent of your injuries and damages. And that's when we're going to be pursuing your rightful claim to injuries and losses for what you have sustained, your economic losses and your non-economic losses, to make sure that you indeed are fully and fairly compensated for what you have gone through. And those are the steps that we take when we pursue a trucking accident here in the Tampa Bay area.